What is going on, guys? In this video today, I want to share with you one of my Facebook ad strategies that I use, leveraging video. So video is a great way to introduce your business or product or services to a cold audience. So here I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. So first, it starts off with a video. The video needs to be 60 seconds or longer, and there's a reason for that. The reason is that we want to be able to create custom audiences based on how much of that video people watch. Obviously, the more people watch of your video, the more interested they are in your product or service or whatever your message is in your video. So like I said, it should be introductory, should be introducing your products or services, maybe showcasing some of your work, previous work, what it is, just kind of like a montage, something to capture people's eyes so that you can capture people as they're scrolling through their news feed and stop them and see if they're interested, right? So if they're interested, they're going to continue to watch the whole video. But what we'll do is we'll create custom audiences based on how much of the video they watch. So I typically recommend creating 4 different audiences. First, through play, which is only 15 seconds. Then you have 25%, 50%, and 95%. And then what you do is, since you have these segmented, then you're able to market to them with a specific ad specifically to these audiences. So these are all color coded based on how warm the audience is. So we're starting off with a cold audience and introducing our product and service based on different interests and targets that we've set up in the ad manager to place our ads in front of them. So these people are completely cold. They don't know who we are or what we do. But now, once they've watched the video, and based on how much of the video they've watched, they're either going to be warm or they're going to get hot, right? Because if they watch the entire video, that means they're probably very interested in your product or service, and they're probably really hot, ready to kind of learn more and see what they can do, see what you can do. Then after that, you create a secondary ad, which would be for the people that are just warm, right? They only watched a little bit of your video and they may not have watched any of your video, but now let's see how warm they really are by putting a new ad in front of them that provides value or drives them to a page on your website. For example, it could be learn about our process. It could be a blog on your website, a service page on your website, learn more about our services here. But you're trying to drive them to the next step, right? So if they click on that ad and go to your website, your blog, or your services page, whatever page it is that you decide to drive them to, you want to create an audience of those people, right? So now you have an audience of people that have taken a step from the ad to your website with this visitors page. So you'll create a audience based on specifically the page that you're driving people to. In this ad, you'll create a custom audience. Now, let's go back to the rest of the people in the video. You have the 50 and 95%. So if they watch 50% and 95%, they're likely more highly engaged in the product or service that you're presenting them. And in that case, you can go move right into a call to action ad. So this would be an ad that may be learn more about our services by booking a consultation with us, get a free quote. It could be here's a coupon. It could be buy this now, whatever it may be, but it's a call to action for them to take that next step into your business, into to help you sell some more by creating a new lead or a new purchase for you. And now we'll go back to the people that visited your website. So now those people that visited your website, they are also now become hot and are ready for a call to action, right? So they visited your website, they watched part of your video, they went to your website to learn more, and now it's time to get them to take action. And you can totally have everybody in here go to a value add and then move them to the next step if you'd like as well. But this is just one strategy that kind of moves people from a cold audience to a warm audience to a hot audience to ultimately a lead or a purchase on your website. So you do have to use custom audiences, the video custom audiences, as well as your website custom audiences. So for that, you do need to have, especially the website, you do need to have the Facebook Pixel installed on your website. If you need any help getting that installed on your website, let me know. I'd be happy to help guide you on how to do that. So this is a quick video strategy for you to present in front of cold audiences, to introduce your business to them and move them into a quick little ad funnel, and then ultimately become a lead or a purchase for you. All right, so I hope that video helped out, gave you some good tips and ideas for your own ad campaigns and strategies for your business. But if you do have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out to me and let me know. I'm always happy to answer any questions that you may have. Feel free to just send me a message if you like or email me. Talk to you soon. Till the next one. Peace.